When you think of some of the most disgusting candies out there, you might think of Sour Patch Kids, you might think of Good and Plenty's Black Licorice, you might think of the universally reviled candy corn, and of course, you might think of Peeps. Today, we are going to find out just what this Peeps cereal is all about. So, without any more stalling, let's get started. So just taking a look at this right off the bat, we've got nice little colorful loops, kind of like, colorful Cheerios or Fruit Loops, something along those lines. We've got marshmallows. This is a marshmallow flavored cereal with marshmallows in it. Of course, everything is heavily artificially flavored. Got plenty of sugar in these. Some of the... Oh, it's actually got more sugar in it than I expected, so... Got a lot of sugar in these things. These are a limited edition run of Kellogg's cereal. See that up in the corner, limited edition. And I'm gonna find out exactly why these things didn't stick around any longer than they did. I never saw them in regular stores, so I did have to go out of my way to find them. But I don't know, guys. This. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna have an open mind. This stuff might actually be delicious. It might be really, really yummy. But I do have low expectations, so. As per usual, 1 whole gallon of milk. And 4 boxes of cereal. Alright, without any more stalling, let's get this timer started and see how long it takes me to eat. 4 boxes of Peeps cereal. Oh my goodness, wish me luck, guys. This stuff, this is definitely gonna be sugar overload. Oh yes, that nice indistinct sweetness with some kind of flavor in there that you can never really describe. Just tastes like candy, tastes like artificial chemicals. Oh, and on top of that, these marshmallows. You might think it's like Lucky Charms, but no, these marshmallows are like, they feel so stale. It's kind of like biting into a hard pellet of rubber instead of, something that's nice and soft and chewy like Lucky Charms. No. These guys, apparently they wanted to go out of their way to change up the formula, make it an extra challenge to eat this cereal. Here we go. And here we go. And we're off. Now this was a limited edition cereal. You can find some information about it online. And I was a little bit shocked at just how much sugar was in this cereal. Like, I know that American cereals kind of get this reputation for being basically sugar bombs, but it really did blow my mind. So most cereals, the number one ingredient is going to be like whole grain corn or oats or something like that. No, the number one ingredient here was sugar. And about 95% of the calories in this stuff does come from carbohydrate. So this is really like a giant sugar bomb. And in retrospect, afterwards, I think that I can safely describe the flavor of this cereal as just like pure raw sugar. I mean, that's really what it was. Maybe it's good for some of that carb loading if you're going into a marathon the next day or something. But as a general staple, maybe give this one a pass.
You know, I guess it is a Peeps cereal, and that's basically what Peeps are. It's just marshmallow covered in sugar.
Oh man, I think I might have gotten some cereal up my sinuses there with that cough. Ooh. Don't put cereal up your nose, folks. Nice public service announcement for everyone. Ugh. Man, this neon bright color, like bright pink, unnatural yellow, and of course blue, a color that's, I don't think it's actually found anywhere in nature. It's a little disconcerting, but I guess it's appealing to someone. Like taps into that lizard brain to say, oh my gosh, so bright, so fruit, so vitamin.
So I'd like to put it out there to you guys. Like, what do you think is the least good candy out there? Or maybe even the worst candy, as it were? I know lots of people don't like black licorice, but I personally think that Peeps, they've got to be up there. Just about the worst. I mean, there's no texture to them, except for that kind of gritty, sandy exterior. I don't know why people just cover things in raw sugar. It's really not good. Like, the flavor isn't good. It doesn't add anything to any complexity, and it is just like eating sand. It's really, really awful. Now, this cereal wasn't covered in sugar per se, but it was still pretty abysmal. I wonder if Kellogg's is going to like rethink this. I did look online and I saw that the Kellogg's site with information about this cereal said it came in 2 different sizes, neither of which of those box sizes were the size of the boxes that I purchased. So maybe this was just like an early test run that I happened to come across at a store. I don't know. This was something that I picked up at Bargain Market, and they always have kind of strange stuff there. Well, hey guys, I really appreciate you tuning into the video. Watch to the end because it's kind of funny, I think. So until next time, you guys have a good one.
And this is seriously like some of the sweetest, sugariest cereal I have ever eaten. Like it literally tastes like raw sugar. Oh my gosh. Whoever would feed this to their children. I have no idea who would really consume this. Yeah, I have no idea who would buy this for themselves, like multiple times. Maybe to try it, but it's really not good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep on trucking though. See, just running up on just about 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. Let's see how much longer it takes, guys. I think I'll be able to finish this in less than 20 minutes. I know the sugar crash from this is gonna be epic. Oh my gosh. I do need to finish this in less than 20 minutes. Or else I just won't be able to move. I know the insulin response to this is gonna be, oh my gosh, instant diabetes. So much milk on my face. Alright. That was every last one of those weirdly colored loops. Now for the fun part, just the milk. This last bit of milk is always just so bad. Well, the milk is good, but it's such a difficult part of these challenges. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see if I can chug this. Definitely not gonna do it in one go. I know I am not known for my chugging skills. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Not too much left. Alright, I can do it. Come on. Whew. Let's see. This is not the biggest bowl of cereal I've had. Believe it or not. Come on. Let's go.